What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be swapping out this sight, this Vortex Defender ST on this Glock 17 Gen 6 with this Defender XL. Alright, let's get started here. Open this up. Check it out. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Definitely bigger. Alright, let's get this old one off. Use these fix-it sticks, they're pretty sweet. Get out of there. Alright. There's the plate from the new system. I forget what it was called. I guess I should take this slide off. Make this a little easier. Get out of there. Alright. Sticker off of here. Yeah, I like the ST. It's a nice sight, but I see everybody using these bigger ones, this XL. Thought I'd give it a shot. Get off of me! Alright. This box here. Screws. Tool. Alright. See which ones we need. Yep, don't have that MOS plate anymore. Glock MOS. I guess it's these. It says Glock. Like it's already got some Loctite on it, but I'm gonna put a little extra. I don't trust their stuff. I do not like how that wiggles. Whatever. You stupid sticker. I like to put a little dabble, do you? Lightly snug it on there. And then I'll use this Wheeler torque wrench. It's like 13 pounds, I think. They're about right there. These are T10s. Alright, I'll take a Sharpie, mark these. Perfect. Where'd my spring go? Ah, throw it away. Got one of them stainless steel guide rods from Glock store. It's pretty nice. Works. Oh my God, get on there. Sometimes I struggle with these, I don't know why. There he goes. Wow. It's definitely bigger. There's the old ST. You can see that. Yeah. Nice. Have to take it to the range and shoot it. So far, I like it. Alright, thanks for watching.